Hey everybody, my name is Victor Orego and this is P271 and I'll be going over the shooting technique using BEEF. Now BEEF is an acronym that stands for balance, eyes to target, elbow up, and follow through. Now to start off with the first one, B, which is for balance, you want to make sure that you have a steady base and that you have one foot slightly in front of the other one. Next up, you want to make sure that you have the eyes to the target. Now when we get into demonstrating the shot, your target is going to be that white square right there on the backboard. Thirdly, you want to make sure your elbow's up. With the elbow, you want to make sure that you tuck it in, point it up towards the rim, and push up. And then lastly, you want to follow through. Now to follow through, you follow through by flicking the wrist. So you make this motion right here with the ball, ensuring that the ball has rotation around it. And so to demonstrate this technique, I will have my assistant Nico, who'll be showing y'all in practical terms how the whole skill is done. Okay, so to wrap up, that's BEEF right there. So you remember, balance, eyes to the target, elbow up, and follow through. If you do all those four, you'll ensure that you make the shot every single time you shoot, or at least 90% of the time.